I'm pretty good at longer term timing as far as, whether or not something is going to exist long term. I'll tell you when I really like if somebody said to me, Samantha Jane, I have $10,000 and I just want to buy one crypto, I would be like, load the boat with Cardano. Now it's at almost 5 cents. And when it fell down to 2 cents, I mean, that's when I originally got it at. So I was like, wow, that's a really good deal. So even at under 5 cents, that's fantastic. Again, you want to go with percentages, right?